Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic feature in order to multitask in Microsoft Excel using the new window and arrange features. This is perfect when you want to refer to one area of your spreadsheet while working in another. Have you ever found yourself constantly scrolling back and forth throughout different sections of your worksheet? This can get very frustrating and time-consuming. But don't worry, Excel has some built-in features to help you with this. Let me demonstrate how to use the new window and arrange feature in order to save you time and effort.
Now in this case, I have my one spreadsheet open. What I'm going to do is go under View, under the Window group, click on New Window. So I have two instances. You'll notice it has a number 2. But now what I want to do is I want to go to View and I want to see both of them. Under View, in the same group window, I'm going to go Arrange All. There's a number of different options here. I could say tiled, horizontal, vertical. In this case, I'm just going to choose vertical. Click OK, and now they're side by side. I can look at the top part, and here I can look at the bottom part if I want. So this allows me to look at two of my spreadsheets at the same time. I love this view. If I want to again, I can go Window and I can do Arrange All. And let's say I want to do horizontal this time. This one, I don't find I like it that much because you don't have much of a window. You'll see the top spreadsheet here, and this is the second one. So I don't like that one that much, but you can choose it if you like. And you could do tiled as well. And just because there's two, it looks like this. And the other option is Arrange All. You also have Cascade. And you can put one over top of the other like that. Let me just close this second spreadsheet. I'm just going to close it. Now I'm going to just maximize, and I can see just the one spreadsheet now. Use whatever works best for you.
Imagine working on an extensive financial report. You can put your data in one window, and then you can do the calculations in another window. Or you could put your data in one window, and you can create the charts based on that data in another. Really, the possibilities are endless. This is something that I use all the time, and it saves me so much time, effort, and a lot of frustration. You can open as many windows as you want using the new window feature, and then arrange them in whatever way works best for you. Remember, whatever changes you do in one window are reflected in the other windows as well. It is exactly the same data. It's just allowing you to look at it from a different window. By using the new window and arrange all feature, you can increase your productivity, your efficiency, and your focus in Excel. Please drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have any topics that you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.